I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Apple Music from the Play Store and signing in with your Apple ID. This connects your library. Once signed in, make sure app permissions are granted so offline downloads and Shazam integration work. If you have an existing subscription, Apple Music will sync your library. If not, choose the trial and add payment. While you're here, enable background play and download quality in settings so streaming matches your data preferences and audio expectations. Once done with sign in, tap settings and enable sync library so your playlists and iCloud purchases appear on Android. You can import local tracks by placing files in storage and adding them through the app's import or files view. This keeps offline songs with streaming content. Next, make sure streaming and download quality settings match your network. Choose high quality on Wi-Fi and lower on cellular. Also configure crossfade, equalizer, and autoplay to tailor playback behavior to how you listen. Now use Apple Music. Create playlists, tap the download icon to store songs offline, and switch to offline mode when you want to conserve mobile data. Play to Bluetooth speakers or use AirPlay on compatible gear. For Chromecast, you may need third-party casting support. If music won't sync or download stall, sign out and back in, clear app cache, confirm Android storage access, and update the app. If problems persist, restart the device and then contact Apple support for account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.